Hi, my name is Vishnu Chandra Pandey, Technical Marketing Engineer with SonicWall, and today I'm going to show you how you can leverage SonicWall Firewalls and Capture Client together to make sure the endpoints and the users are protected from growing threats and increasing attack vectors. The integration is enabled when endpoints are detected on network by the SonicWall Enforcement Service. Through this service, Firewall pulls endpoints to check for the existence of the Capture Client agent. If it is not installed, the endpoint gets restricted network access. Also, enforcement enables sharing of user and device telemetry from the endpoints, sharing network alerts via pop-ups to the end user, and enforcing decryption of traffic to detect encrypted threats using DPI SSL. Let us now log into a SonicWall firewall and see the capability live in action. The first thing you need to do is configure the Client AV Enforcement Service. The Enforcement Service previously supported enforcement of McAfee agents, but now only supports enforcement of Capture Client. On this page, you can configure two enforcement rules. One defines a group of enforced endpoints and other defines a group of exempted endpoints, like guest networks or functional devices like wipe phones. These can be single IP addresses or a group of network objects or even a network CIDR. This is also the page where you enable the firewall to consume user telemetry for the user attribution and single sign-on, which allows admins to apply user-based policies. The last piece is enablement of enforcement service on specific zones. For example, you would enable it on corporate network zones or LAN zones where the end users have corporate devices. But for a third-party VPN zone, you wouldn't choose to enable enforcement. Click on the checkbox and hit apply and you're all set. Let us now take a look on how this works. Consider a new user using an endpoint at a remote site behind a SonicWall firewall on which Capture Client is not yet installed. When the user connects to the network and tries to browse some websites, they are immediately presented with a block page. This page allows them to download and run a self-service installer to install Capture Client without having to enter any configuration or licensing information. Once the installation is complete, the user will now be unblocked and will get access to the network like any other corporate user based on the policy applied. This is how you can enforce Capture Client behind SonicWall firewalls with ease and without any additional overhead. Please subscribe to our channel and visit the product page for more information.